Essential maintenance to extend the life of your car. The cost of maintenance might just be one item on your list of car-related expenses, but this is one aspect of car ownership that you simply can't overlook. Failing to maintain your car will only cost you more as problems snowball and the cost of repairs grows higher. With proper maintenance, you can avoid the need for most repairs altogether while keeping your car running nicely for years to come. Here's a handful of essential maintenance tasks worth investing in to extend the life of your vehicle. Keep your oil changed. Perhaps the most basic of all car maintenance tasks, making sure your car has clean oil is essential for lubricating all the tiny parts inside of the engine. Failing to change the oil will lead to metal-eating sludge that reduces your car's efficiency and eventually leads to engine failure. Change your oil every 3,000 miles or as your manufacturer recommends to protect your vehicle from engine damage. Don't overlook other fluids. Going for an oil change is common practice, but what about other fluids that play a critical role in your car's inner workings? Engine oil is just one component. You should also pay attention to the transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and radiator coolant. If you have a four-wheel or all-wheel drive vehicle, you also need to change your differential and transfer case fluids. Check fluid levels often and take your car for regular servicing, as recommended by your car's manufacturer. Failing to change all of your fluids can lead to major damage, especially if leaks and other problems go undetected. You should check them twice a month. Clean your filters. You're likely familiar with the air filters in your car, which help clean dust and dirt out of the air before it enters the cabin and circulates for you to breathe. However, other filters also play essential roles in your car's functions, like the fuel and oil filters, which stop abrasive sediments from getting into your engine. Consult your owner's manual to see how often filters should be cleaned or replaced. The life of air filters will depend on your local air quality and driving environment. Inspect your tires regularly. Visually inspect your tires to check their condition. When the tread is running thin, invest in new tires to keep your vehicle safe on the road. You need to replace them at least every 6 years. Cosmetics count, too, when it comes to car maintenance that extends your car's life. One thing that you should never overlook is the importance of a clean vehicle, both inside and out. Caring for your car's paint job, for instance, can prevent chips and fading, which in turn protects the car's body from rust and damage. The interior of your car also deserves regular maintenance to keep it looking its best. Invest in quality collision repair. Getting in an accident can impact a lot of things, including your car's market value and the safety it provides when driving it. For both of these reasons, it's important that you invest in quality collision repair that will restore your car to excellent working condition. To get the best possible collision and paint repair all over India, for classic and vintage cars, and all over Mumbai, Thane, New Mumbai, for new generation and classic/vintage cars, contact Arman Motor Garage. Look no further. Contact us today to get our estimate and get your car back on the road for years to come. We hope you like our videos. Please share your suggestions and recommendation in the comments section. And for service a car at reasonable prices at your doorstep, please contact us on 913 crore 70 lakh 34,530 or 845 crore 18 lakh 28,922. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel Arman Motor Garage.